Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to delete data in Excel without deleting the formulas. In this spreadsheet, some of my cells have data or labels, and others have formulas, like this one. It's a sum of other cells. The easiest way to find all of the cells that have constants, or data rather than formulas, is to go to the Home ribbon and use the Find and Select drop-down to select Go to Special. In Go to Special, you can tell it that you want to only select constants, not formulas. And here, I'm going to take it a step further, and I'm going to tell it to only find numbers. And when I click OK, it just selects the numbers that are constants. Now that those are selected, I'm going to press the Delete key to clear those, and I retain my labels, my formulas, and everything else. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to delete numbers in Excel without deleting formulas.